Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some Valentine's Day gift ideas because I know Valentine's Day is literally coming up in like 2 weeks. And if you're like me and you run out of Valentine's Day gift ideas, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a ton of different gift ideas, and no, they're not going to be those basic ideas that we all see on YouTube. I have scrolled and watched so many videos trying to find what I should get my significant other and can never find the perfect thing. As the title says, this is a gift guide directed for him. This could be for a boyfriend, husband, father, guy friend, but this gift guide could also be something you could get for her or even yourself. If you want to give my Instagram a follow, that is at SimplyTaylorB. I also have a fitness account, and that is at SimplyFitTaylorB. Alright, let's just get on started. If you're watching this, click out of this video because you're gonna spoil your presents. I don't really like watching these videos because I feel like they're kind of all the same thing. When a for him video comes out, they talk about men's skincare, portable chargers, Bluetooth speakers, and yes, we do all love those things and those are pretty good gift ideas, but I feel like we need to explore some more. I can't remember if I got my boyfriend this for his birthday or for Valentine's Day, but a really good idea to get your boyfriend, guy friend, dad, any person really in your life, there is a beef jerky subscription called Jerky, and I got my boyfriend 3 months of this subscription and he loved it. I feel like any type of guy loves getting things in the mail and a little present every month, so getting something that lasts 3 months and looking forward to it is exciting. From what I remember, I just chose like the random selection because my boyfriend and I really love jerky, and hey, it's kind of a gift for you too because you can try it out with them. The second thing that I thought of is the beard guard. I don't know if any of you guys have heard of this, but it's basically a apron thing that you stick to your mirror. So while they're shaving or trimming their beard, it's all just gonna fall into that apron and then you can easily throw it out. This also is a win for you because there won't be hair everywhere, hopefully. That's for somebody who has a beard, and I think it's kind of funny and really cute. If your significant other is really into craft beer, I feel like getting them some different types of craft beer from your package store is an awesome gift, or even grabbing a bottle of wine if they're not a beer drinker. A couple years back, I put together a little box for my boyfriend, and it was basically a bunch of nips. Okay, some people don't call these nips, but where I live, we call the little bottles nips. I threw together some nips and a couple lottery cards and some Slim Jims, and I wrote a cute little thing, something I found on Pinterest. I'm sure you'd be able to find it if you searched it up on Pinterest. Okay, so the next few things I'm going to be talking about are technically personalized gifts. These things can sometimes be on the pricier side because they are personalized and you're putting something like your name or anniversary on it. I am absolutely obsessed with this, and I got my boyfriend this and it's at my house. But if you live together, I feel like this is a perfect addition to a house. So I actually got my boyfriend this for our anniversary, but I feel like it's a great Valentine's Day gift as well. Basically, this is a cork board that has our name on it. It says Patrick and Taylor's Travels. At the bottom, it says places we have been and places we have hoped to see. We only have a few things on there because we've only been to a handful of places together. I am absolutely obsessed with this. It goes so good in any part of your house. I actually purchased that on Etsy, and I will definitely post the link below. The next gift is another personalized gift. It is kind of funny and maybe a joke. I was going to buy Patrick these this year, but I have so many other ideas that I'm like, okay, maybe not. So these are personalized face boxers. If you really just Google that, you'll be able to find them. They also have a couple people who sell them on Etsy. I think this is absolutely hilarious because it's literally your face on a pair of boxers. They really do have some funny designs. I'll leave a link in the description of some places that I found. The next personalized gift is a photo cube, and I know my face is on this. I found mine on Shutterfly and I've actually purchased a handful of them for family members. This could be a cute idea for your parents or for your significant other. I actually purchased one for my mom and kind of just slapped a bunch of pictures of me and my sister on it. Most of the time Shutterfly does have discount codes, so you can get something like that, the cube, for a reasonable price. Another really good idea that I don't really see on YouTube a lot is getting that person a soda stream. We have a soda stream at my house and I don't use it that often, but when we do, it comes in handy. That's a gift for someone who you think might have everything but doesn't have a soda stream. Another thing that I thought was a good idea is getting your significant other or family member a hot sauce flight. If they enjoy hot sauce and they enjoy spicy stuff, I found these on Amazon for a pretty reasonable price and they're really cool gift ideas. Most of them come in little bottles from what I could see, but you could get larger bottles and it comes with like 5 of them. I wouldn't have thought of this idea on my own if I wasn't scrolling through pages of Pinterest. This next idea I believe I am getting for Patrick this year. I'm going to be grabbing him some LL Bean slippers. LL Bean has really great quality slippers and I believe they have a warranty policy that is also really great. I googled it and there are so many different types of styles and I feel like it's just really thoughtful. These are going to be a pretty penny, but he does treat me all the time, so I feel like he deserves it. This next idea kind of just popped into my head, and if you two are into this stuff, then I feel like it's a really nice gift. Buying your significant other some type of CBD product, whether that be CBD cream or CBD drops or even a CBD joint. CBD is like the ultimate rage right now. I haven't tried it myself, and if your significant other hasn't either, maybe this would be the perfect opportunity to gift them something CBD. My last gift idea is to maybe grab them a couple nice shirts that they probably wouldn't buy for themselves. Most guys don't like shopping and really don't care for shopping for new clothes, so if you grab them a couple items for their wardrobe, I'm sure they'd love it. If you're looking for another video to watch, check out my blue light glasses video. That could also be another gift idea. I wanted to just come on here to share some of my gift ideas because I feel like a lot of people have a hard time shopping for their significant other, and I also feel like most of these videos on YouTube are the same. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. It's free if you just click that button down there. Again, if you haven't followed my Instagram, that is at simplytaylorb. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.